Let's learn some colors. Red color, yellow color, dark green color, dark blue color, sky blue color, pink color.